Hello everyone guys, and welcome to CoinAZ YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to clean your coins using the toothpaste and only toothbrush. I made a previous video about cleaning coins with the different way, and today I will show you the other way of cleaning your coins. As you see here, we have 5 € coin. It's a little bit dirty. As you see here, it's dirty coin, and I will try to clean it now and make it shine as a new. So what we need for that? We need one plate. I'll use my glass plate for that. We need a toothbrush. I have here the coin and some toothpaste. I have some Colgate, the regular toothpaste. So what we need to do, we take a coin and take a toothpaste, and we add some toothpaste to our coin like this. So the toothpaste on the coin, and let's start messing it with the toothbrush like this. So we need to do it 8-9 minutes, and after that we will take a look on the coin. Is it clean or not? So guys, let's wait 10 minutes. You can watch it in high speed. I'll do it my way. And after that we will clean the coin, and we will take a look on it. So the other. So guys, as we see here, I brushed it for 8 minutes, so I will clean it under the water and we will take a look how is it now. So guys, I will wash it and come back. So guys, what we see here, that's the coin. It is a little bit cleaner and shining, but not very clean. So this is the condition after the cleaning with the toothpaste. So try yourself at home your coins and write the comments. Does it work or not with your coins? That's the condition of the coin after cleaning. It is a little bit cleaner, more shining, but not very clean. So guys, try yourself at home and write under the comments, does this way works or not with your coins. Subscribe on our YouTube channel guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye guys.